Asian markets extended losses on Monday as higher bond yields and the escalating bombardment of Gaza dampened investor sentiment. Stocks fell across the board from Japan and Korea to Australia, with China's CSI 300 falling to its lowest since 2019. US 10-year Treasury yields hovered around a 16-year high of 5%, pushing borrowing costs up across the globe and testing equity valuations. On the commodities front, oil prices eased, with global benchmark Brent falling to $91 a barrel, while gold retreated from 5-month highs. Let's get more on this now with Han Tan in Abu Dhabi. He's Chief Market Analyst at Xinity. Han, thanks for joining us this morning. Now, a bit of a gloomy start to the week for equity markets. Tell us more about why investors are being cautious right now.
And they have plenty of reasons to be cautious right now. Look, overall stocks are still grappling with the Fed's intentions of keeping US interest rates higher for longer, as evidenced by those multi-year highs in Treasury yields that you mentioned earlier. Then, of course, there's the Middle East conflict that threatens to drag in the wider region. And over in Asia, you've got China's property sector, as well as the regulatory crackdown of late. That's all shaking market sentiment. So yes, I think overall to see a window of risk-taking activities being sustained is a really tough call in this environment.
Right, and we're seeing oil and gold prices both ease now after recent spikes. Are investors still concerned about the spillover risks of the conflict?
And the short answer to that is yes, right? So although both oil and gold are easing somewhat, and keep in mind they are still on that path back towards those year-to-date highs respectively, right? So it's hardly an all clear here that we're seeing from today's easing. There's still a lot of war premiums and geopolitical risks being baked into prices. So a lot of the focus now is how imminent is the on-ground operations into Gaza and what the region's response would be. So I think net-net, if there's a further escalation, I wouldn't be surprised if we see another leg up in both oil and gold prices.
Right, still a lot of uncertainty there. Han Tan in Abu Dhabi there for us. Thank you for your insights.
Thanks for having me.
Now to other top stories from around the world. Qatar has agreed to supply Italian energy giant Eni with natural gas for 27 years in its third major deal with a European company this month. The Gulf Emirates state-owned energy firm Qatar Energy said it would supply 1 million tons of LNG a year from its Northfield expansion project. Total Energies and Shell also signed similar agreements earlier this month. Swiss healthcare company Roche has agreed to buy Televant Holdings in a deal worth $7.1 billion. Televant produces drugs for inflammatory and fibrotic diseases and is currently in the process of developing a treatment for patients with inflammatory bowel disease. Roche says it aims to start clinical tests on patients with the sickness as soon as possible. And Taiwanese electronics manufacturer Foxconn has become the latest foreign company to come under scrutiny in China. According to Chinese state media outlets, authorities launched an investigation into Apple's main contractor for the production of iPhones over tax and land use. Foxconn said it would cooperate with the probe.